What's up YouTube, it's time to talk about a new device which is coming from Xiaomi, and today I am going to unbox this device and tell you all the contents which are coming inside the box and also tell you about the software and physical overview of this device. I'm talking about the Redmi K30, and the variant today I'm unboxing is having an 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. So guys, before going into the video, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified for every new video which I upload on this channel. So let's open up the box and see what are the box content which are coming inside. So inside the box, first thing we see another card box, and inside that first thing we see a SIM ejector pin, and the next thing is the startup guide which is coming in Chinese, and the last thing which is coming inside the card box is the TPU silicone cover, and this TPU silicone cover is a good one because previously I have unboxed Xiaomi devices and the TPU silicone cover inside them is not very good. This TPU silicone cover has nice cutout for all the cameras as well, and also on the left side the fingerprint mounted sensor cutout is also very impressive. Inside the box we see the device which is wrapped in plastic, so removing the plastic from the device, and the first look of this purple color Redmi K30 is very awesome. The backside camera is present in a vertical shape, and there is another color which is circling around the camera cutout, and it's looking gorgeous on the backside as well. So let's put it aside for a moment and see the box content which are left in the box. We have a 30 watt of fast charger is also coming inside the device box, and this charger can charge your device in 100% within 68 minutes. Along with that, we will also receive a USB to Type-C cable inside it, and this cable is pretty much impressive as the time goes by, and Xiaomi is releasing good quality cable as well in their boxes. So there is nothing else remaining inside the box, and let's move towards the device. So let's look at the physical overview of the device first and see what is this device is offering us in terms of physical overview. So first we talk about the front side of the device. So on the front we see a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display, and it is coming with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection. HDR10 support is also present inside it, and most importantly 120Hz of refresh rate is coming in Redmi K30, making it Xiaomi's first ever devices to have 120Hz of refresh rate inside. Also on the front side we see a dual punch hole cutout for the camera sensor as well, and these punch holes holding a camera of 20 megapixel of main camera and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. Well, in terms of back side we see quad camera setup on the back side where the main camera is of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of dedicated macro lens, and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. We also see a dual LED flashlight present on the back side of the device. So internally if we look at the device we see a Snapdragon 730G processor which is based on 8nm architecture, and the GPU which is coming inside is Adreno 618. So in terms of CPU I'm not very much impressed because right now Snapdragon has announced new mid-range category 765 processor. Xiaomi must have included those processor inside it because they are the new one and the latest one. In terms of battery we are seeing a 4500 mAh of a battery inside it, which is impressive, and it is a massive battery because it can last for a full whole day. Along with that, it is also coming with a 27 watt of fast charging support. There are 4 different variants which are coming inside this device, and the variant which I'm unboxing is of 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, and these all variants and will have a storage of UFS 2.1 support. If we look at the right side of the device we see the physical fingerprint scanner present on the right side of the device, and this fingerprint scanner also acts as a power button as well. On the top of fingerprint scanner we see a volume up and down button. On the left side of the device we are seeing a SIM tray slot. On the top of the device we have an IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation mic, whereas on the bottom of the device we have a speaker grill, a primary noise cancellation mic, a Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is an awesome thing from Xiaomi by providing a 3.5mm headphone jack in all its devices. So I have quickly set up the device, and the 120Hz refresh rate is making this device look buttery smooth. So let's first check out the software which is coming inside this Redmi K30. So inside the Redmi K30 we see an Android 10 support with a MIUI 11 skin on top of that, making it is one of the few devices which are coming with Android 10 support out of the box, and which is a great thing by providing the latest and greatest software from Google. In terms of biometric, we see a fingerprint scanner as well as a face unlock support in this device. So let's quickly set up both of these them and check out whether these devices are worth of a good security features or not. So I have quickly set up both of the fingerprint as well as face unlock, and let's check out the speed of both of them. So looking at the fingerprint scanner, whenever I touch my finger on the side mounted fingerprint scanner, it unlocks that device pretty quickly because it's a physical fingerprint scanner. It can, so I have tested 2 or 3 times this fingerprint scanner, and its speed is pretty much impressive. Next is the face unlock, and the face unlock speed is also very impressive. It is not one of the securest ones, but the unlocking speed is very fast. You just need to swipe up on the screen in order to go to the main screen. So lastly, we talk about the price of this device, and this device is coming, the variant which I have right now has a price of $244 for 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, making it one of the lowest priced devices which have 120Hz of refresh rate and included all the major upgrades inside it. One of the disappointing thing for me is not having the Snapdragon latest processor inside, but other than that, this device is worth of buying. So guys, that's all in this video, and if you like to see more videos like this, do consider subscribing my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Peace out.